Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be teaching you how to make this origami walrus. For this project, you will need any square 6-inch piece of origami. Want to build it? Let's get started. Alright, start off by folding it in half diagonally. You want to do nice, straight creases. Fold. Now, you just want to unfold. And you're just going to fold these flaps to the middle. Just like this. Fold. Fold. Do the same thing on the other side. You just want to fold it down. Fold. Fold sharply. Alright, now from right here, you're just going to flip it over. You just want to fold this down. Fold it until the line. Fold. You're just going to fold that sharply. Now, turn it so you have this. You're just going to fold this down to the middle. Just like this. Fold. Do the same thing on the other side. Just fold it down. Fold. Now, you're just going to unfold one side and fold it all the way here. Now, just fold it on this crease right here. You're just going to fold it down. Fold, and then you're just gonna go to this flap, just gonna grab it and then pull it up to the line, to this crease right here. You just wanna fold it down to the middle, fold, and then you're just gonna fold right there, and then squash it down. And now you're done with this side. Now do the same thing on the other side. Open it up, fold this down, fold this here, fold it over, then you're just going to squash it down. Now, from right here, you just want to fold these flaps back down, fold. Now, you're just going to fold this right here. Don't fold on any lines, just however you want it. This will be the arms. And then you're just going to fold it in half this way, just like this. Now, turn it over to this side, so you have this right here, and then you're just going to fold. Now, just fold. Now, from right here, you're just going to unfold it back. Then you just want to grab this tail and you're just going to fold it up until you can't fold it anymore. Fold. Now, from right here, all you want to do is unfold. And then you're just going to grab a bit and then just fold it up to the line that you just made and fold it back down. So now you should have this right here. Now that you have this, you're just going to fold it one more time. Fold. Now you should have this right here. Now from here, you're just going to grab this, open it up, and you're just going to push it in just like that. And then you're just going to squash it. Now just pull this out, pull this head out, fold, and now just place it down. And there you go, your own Origami Walrus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see you all next time.